The best solution is the simplest, Ratchet. Hit him in the knee.
His knee.
Yes, it will cause a chain reaction, disabling its internal retro formation modulator. Would you like me to hit it for you?
No, I got it, Clank. This is unusual. Clank!
I have taken over the controls. Just sit back and enjoy your death.
Parachute! Parachute!
Come on, Dax.
You know, Jack, I trust you. But this is not!
Careful, Sly. I've never seen a vault this secure.
They'll see just how worthless their security is when we steal back one of our largest assets.
Hey, guys! What took you so long?
Murray, stand clear or it's Hippo Flambe. Thanks, Belly.
That wasn't me, Sly.
Guys?
This world does not match any of my star charts.
All right, Furball. What's the big idea? We didn't do this. Wait, who's that over there?
Something is afoot. I'd say no one is above suspicion.
My sensors indicate a gravitational anomaly has opened a rift in space-time, creating a wormhole into another world.
Well, whoever brought us here won't need a wormhole when I knock him into outer space!
Ratchet and Clank, Jack and Daxter, Sly and Bentley. Clearly the most amazing heroes anywhere. Without you, your world would have been taken over by the worst elements long ago. To find out who is the best hero, we have assembled a series of challenges to test your skills and prove your amazing abilities. Welcome to the first annual Inter-Universal Hero Games! You and your world will be safely returned when you are finished.
They have hit pause on our home worlds. Fascinating.
You may even earn some fans. What do you say?
Run circles around these guys? Sounds like a nice vacation.
Yeah, I'm up for a little friendly competition. Or not so friendly. I'm in.
I don't trust those guys.
Excellent! Let the games begin!
To the arenas! They'll never make it.
Yeah, they'll never make it.